Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Monday, December the 14th. Well, a change of character for the market today, and we have a fairly large green body candle. Compare the characteristics of the candle to the previous candles in the sell-off. Very large red bodies, some doji type candles with a very small body, but today a large green body. We have bullishness coming back into this market. The trend has not changed. We still have a downtrend in place. Previously we had a lower high and lower low here, then we had an inside day, an outside day, and today is an inside day as well. Now that's raising doubt about the viability of the trend in the first time frame. The trend is not continuing smoothly in that first time frame, so that alerts us to potential for a change of trend to the upside with a higher high and a higher low. With the green body, fairly large green body, it means that the buyers have made some solid net bullish progress for the day. So there is potential from that point of view that the market may begin a new first time frame uptrend. And with the market opening down near the low and closing near the high, it's telling us that the buyers or the bulls have closed the market with control, and they're showing some commitment, or they showed some commitment on the day. Unfortunately, they lack the commitment to change the trend though, so we need to be aware of that. The trend is still down. We need proof of a change of trend, which would be a higher high and a higher low. Now, this is a potential bullish reversal pattern in Japanese candlestick terms. It's a piercing pattern, and with the piercing pattern we have a fairly large red body candle followed by a fairly large green body candle, and the the body of the candle must penetrate halfway of the previous candle's body. So there is potential for a change of trend to the upside, a very strong potential. As we've said before, the change needs confirmation, so we need to look to the high of the current candle for a potential higher high and a higher low. Those who are looking to go long, it could be a potentially good trade to take, but we need to be aware that the market is trading down below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that means that in those two time frames, the short-term time frame and the medium-term time frame, the market is negative, the market is bearish. We are, however, trading up above the cloud of the Kumo, which means that in the larger time frame the market is still positive, so there is potential for the market to continue that longer time frame uptrend, and potentially for the market to trade up to the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and potentially trade up above there to give us more bullishness in those other time frames. The Tenkan-sen is still trading up above the Kijun-sen, which is another positive sign for this market, another bullish sign. There hasn't been a crossover of those indicators for quite a long period of time. And we need to be aware that if the market does trade up with a new first time frame uptrend, then there is potential for the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen to act as an area of resistance. So the Kijun-sen is at 1157 and the Tenkan-sen is at 1168, so there is potential for resistance around that area. Looking at this downswing, if the market does change trend to the upside, that looks roughly to be the region where we might find a 50% retracement of this downswing, roughly. So there is potential for resistance up around that area. So if the market does continue in the first time frame downtrend, there is potential support at the down around the 1070 level, which was a previous area of resistance. And we also saw some minor buying coming in and down around the 1080 level, where we can see the bottom of these candles. There was long shadows and buying coming in around this area, but that's only fairly minor. There was a minor swing low down around this region where the market tried to sell off. That's around the 1100 region, round number, and the buyers came back in and bought the market up very strongly, so there is potential for support around there. So basically we need to watch the low of the current candle and the previous candle there, and also watch the high of the current candle for a potential change of trend.